Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Chris Cooper, known as the Channel Guy Trader, and I'm reporting to you live from Wall Street Trading's Miami office down in sunny South Florida. Today's date is Thursday, October the 24th, 2013. And here's today's midday market update brought to you by WallStreetTrading.com. I want to first start by taking a look to see how the indices are trading so far for this session here. The Dow is currently up 81 points. The Nasdaq's up 21. The S&P is up a little over 4.5 points. Taking a look at the commodity space here. SLV silver up 23 cents. JJC copper up 4 cents. GDX gold miners up $1.05. GLD up $1.62 here for the gold. Crude oil via the USO is down 3 cents. It was down a lot more earlier, but did recover pretty nice off of the lows here, and it's actually up, say, close to 3/4% from the opening price. That's pretty good for crude oil, as it has been selling off, and now it's finally catching a nice bid. If we take a look at the volatility index, down 23 cents. Bonds TLT up 32 cents. The strongest sector in the market right now, the top five sectors in the market right now, based on the percent change from open of the ETFs here. XHB home builders that continue to show some strength. We talked about this yesterday, as they were in play yesterday. They're in play again today, up over 2%. Gold miners, juniors, the GDXJ and the GDX up well over 1% today. And then it's followed by the TNA, which is a Russell 2000 triple leverage ETF. Russell 2000 is showing some relative strength to the other indexes today. And then we had the biotechs as well. The XBI and the coal stocks are doing pretty well today. That's pretty interesting. The bottom ETF sectors here change from open. TZA makes sense because TNA is strong. XLU utilities down 1% from the opening price. The VXX volatility index is down close to 1% from the opening price. FXI and TLT and FAS. Those are the bottom five, bottom six of the percent change from percent change from open on our ETF list. So let's take a look at what's going on here in the market right now. We made a double top here overnight around 2 o'clock this morning. We hit a high of 1750 during that European session, and then going into the European session, and then around 6 o'clock this morning we hit another high again at 1750. Got rejected, creating this double top. Off of that double top, we've been seeing some selling pressure, and right now we're having some trouble trying to break back over this pivot right here. So this could be, in fact, a lower high that's being put in to move us back down below the opening price, potentially back down towards 1742. If you look at the 5-minute chart, we're trading in a range here, and now we just actually just broke the bottom of the range. So we'll be looking for a move. If we hold below the 1745 area, we'll be looking for a move back down towards 1741.75, which you can see we were holding early this morning, which was one of our demand zones. Resistance will be back up towards that 1746.50 level. We break over 1746.50, then we don't have any real resistance until back towards the 1751s. Does feel like there's a little bit of weakness in the market today, but again, it's still too early to tell, as these dip buyers came in this morning, and they weren't able to keep the market down. What else? As far as some stocks that are in play, you could take a look. You could take a look at again, the coal stocks are trading pretty well. WLT actually getting some nice action here today. All right, it's been showing some couple of signs of weakness the past couple of days, but getting some nice buying pressure. Has some earnings coming out. ANR was strong yesterday. All right, giving a nice little fall through day today as well. Pretty strong chart. Daily charts shaping up a lot. A lot of these stocks are getting picked up off the bottom. Um, what else? Then you also have CNX. You can take a look at another coal stock, CNX, and BTU, other different names. Let's see here, Tesla showing some strength today, up over 3% from the opening price. Getting rejected right here at the previous day's highs. Let me fix these charts up here real quick. Getting rejected at the previous day's highs, and could come back in a little bit right now. We're not really watching this one that much today. Facebook, there's been some action in Facebook. Facebook is showing some weakness earlier this morning, and it's still looking kind of weak, as it's still hanging in the lower part of the range here. All right, just all it did was just bounce off the previous day's close. Keeping on the Facebook, trading in the range between 52.20 and 51.90 right now. I would watch it to see if it goes back negative. Let's see what else we got going on here. Again, a lot of the stocks are moving up today here. Cena up over 2%. Win, WO, already said that. GG, the gold miners are looking pretty good today. Let's take a look at a couple of those names. GG here. GG on the highs. So gold is actually, it seems like it's trying to hold this bid down here. So you definitely want to the gold stocks, keep the gold stocks on your radar, as they've been selling off for a while, and now they're finally starting to catch a decent bid. Aside from that, guys, I mean, we'll see how the market closes. I'll have another video here for the after the bell market summary. But right now, looking at the ES, we're starting to come in as we just broke down out of this range that we were trading in for about an hour and a half. So order flow should go back to the downside. We'll see. Have a great day. I'll catch you guys for the after the bell market summary video. Cheers.